Need to collaborate on a Jira issue with your team? Today, I'll show you how to set up a discussion in Microsoft Teams directly from Jira. Start by opening the Jira issue you want to discuss. Head to the top right menu bar and click on the Microsoft Teams option. You'll need to log into Teams if you haven't done so recently. It's a simple one-click login, and then you're ready to go. Once logged in, you can choose which Teams channel you want to connect to. For this demo, I'll select our designated demo channel. Now name the new discussion, like Demo to Discussion, and click Create. This automatically sets up a new Teams channel for your issue. Opening Teams, you'll see the new channel with a card displaying details about the Jira issue. This card stays at the top, so you and your team can quickly refer back to it at any time. Later, if you or someone else wants to revisit the issue, just go to Jira and look for the widget called Glance. This button lets you reopen the discussion channel or create a new one if needed. And that's it. Setting up a Jira issue discussion in Teams is quick and keeps your team aligned. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your communication.